Immerse yourself in the realm of the extraordinary. Delve deep into the heart of Chicago, where a seismic revelation echoes through the halls of the Field Museum. A treasure, singular in its magnificence, a perfectly preserved Archaeopteryx fossil, the coveted gem of avian antiquity, has found its home here. Listen to Jingmai O'Connor, esteemed paleontologist, as she proclaims, Archaeopteryx is more than a fossil. It's a living testament to Darwin's theory of evolution, the undeniable thread weaving dinosaurs and birds together. Marvel at the dedicated craftsmanship of Chief Preparator Akiko Shinya, who after over 1,400 painstaking hours, unveils a specimen challenging our understanding of these primordial beings. This Archaeopteryx fossil, the 13th of its kind, has rewritten the narrative of our prehistoric lineage.